This is the video tutorial about getting rid of the online scam related to the site Avirabot.online. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by the site Avirabot.online. Obviously, these pop-ups are fake and truly deceptive. They try to deceive you and to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Avirabot.online, do not ever interact with them. Such pop-ups are absolutely fake and you should not trust them. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I would recommend you to carefully research the computer with Combo Cleaner. So go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and then eliminate all other types of threats which could still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.